this is a 2016 Kona Process 134 Supreme, and what the Supreme really means is that they did a good job of getting a good wheel set on here, the XX1 crankset and drivetrain. Just overall good components, has a Pike fork on it. On my bike's a little bit different than a kind of all mountain setup would be these handlebars. A lot of guys are riding really not much rise at all, and these are 2 inches of rise. So I'm up there quite a bit, but I like it because I can control my front end a lot better. Put it where I want it to be. Bunny hops, jumping, it feels good. BMX background, so you always have a little bit taller bar to deal with, so I wanted something very similar to the smaller bike. So in addition to getting a bigger bar and a shorter stem on this bike, I went ahead and tuned out the fork a little bit and swapped out the Ardent to the DHF in the front. I had some issues with sliding out, getting low in turns, and I put this thing on these huge knobs and made a big change. And then also, this fork came at 140mm stock, and then I put it up to 150, and I also put in 3 tokens to get it tuned out to where it was super plush in the beginning of the travel for all the chatter, and then also could ramp up for the big drops and not bottom out. I do not have a name for my bike, but it is a good friend of mine, so maybe I should give it a name.